I'm Randy Alman. We're just going to talk really quick about filtering and ways to filter data within the dashboard. There's three ways, I guess. One is through the actual filter, and you can create a filter on the go, so to speak, or you can create a filter for your user. Each user can create as many as they would like. And to create those filters in setup, it's available on incidents and offenses only, and once one's created in one area, you can move it over to the other area. So let's first go into incident settings, and you'll see a filtering button. So if we went in here, there's two of them set up already. One of them is for Monday, and they're pretty simple, but they can be complex. I mean, you can add day of week, you can add dispositions, on it, or whatever is available in your department, circumstances. So all this stuff can be used as a filter, that whatever's available but set up in your particular agency. Or you can do responsible officer and put their name in here, and so you can filter out about anything. And plus there's a time filter on this. You can put in a time on it, less than, and a time filter for greater than, and so you can go between two time frames on it. So these filters are set up for the user. When you decide you like a filter really well, you can transfer it over to offenses, so you don't have to create it again once it works. So that was a Monday filter here. Here's a period filter that I was talking about. Law date reported from the 1st of November to the other one. And you could then come in here and set the time of day that it's is greater than a 24-hour clock, like 1 o'clock in the morning, and time of day less than 1600 hours or something like that. And so then you would update your filter, they would be in there. So the filters are available here now. It's already set up, and they'll be over on incidents. We'll go to filtering, and there they are, the ones we set up. I mean, there's that other one we sent over. It just created two of them because there's already one here. You don't want them anymore, they don't work, or they're not applicable, you just delete them. The way that looks over here on incidents and offenses is you go into to any particular thing you have set up. We'll go into burglaries, and the filter is not available here yet, and so let's go one more step in, and the filter is now available. So if I click on that and I pull up my handy dandy Monday filter and set it, all the Mondays come up. Or if I set up my one period filter, set the filter, now only those in November will come up. So you can tell if it's green, it's on. If it's blue, it's not. The same way we just clear the filter here, and now it's blue. Same thing in offenses. Same way, same filters. You click on it, and then you can drop in there. So that's one created for each user. Everybody can create their own. But let's say you just want to create a fast filter. So once you get dropping into these offenses, go one more into it, hit the filter button. Let's say on this one was going to be a little different. We want the day of the week, the date reported equal to Friday or Thursday or something else. Oops. Didn't set it. Hold on. Here. Set the filter. And it works good, did it? Oh, day of the week, I meant to say. Set filter. And now it's Thursday. So that was a quick filter. It doesn't last. I mean, if I was to go out of here and clear this filter, there's no longer a Thursday filter. I didn't give it a title, and so it goes back. But I could go in and pick any of my filters that I had created before, like I did the other one, and set the filter, and it'll come up. So green, it's operational. Blue, you're not filtered. You can do a filter on the fly, or a filter, set up a filter. The other way, when we set up filters, this stuff wasn't here. These search bars at the top. And so it's almost to the point now where, and these will actually filter information, for a bigger category. So if you're looking for all burglaries, for instance, let me get back here to burglaries. There, hold on. We'll just go to incidents and then burglaries. So instead of having to click in on a single offense code, now you could do the similar thing right here. I could come in here and ask for a particular day of the week. You notice some of them are different. This one doesn't even have day of the week on it at this particular level, but I could look at all the cleared ones, or I could do CLO and Officer Todd in here. Now I get all of them and the number of business burglaries. So you can't save these with a clearance code of 13. And now that way you can really zero in on things. But these are not saved, and you once you run them, you have to do it again. And so now if you go into this one here, you do have the day a week on these. So you go Monday, active cases on them, or whatever, in the circumstance of 12, and you can start zeroing in on them like that. So that's just this header bar. It doesn't change anything up here. It just cuts down this list. This one here actually changes the information at the top and when it's happening. It's another nice thing about it. So if I clear my filter and then go up here, and you see this is 54. I go up here and bring down my Monday. Now it says there's 8. So if you counted these, there would be 8. It would show 8 here, and it shows 8 in the box here. So that's pretty quick on filtering, on how to get the information out of the dashboard by doing a couple of the searches. Be sure when you're done to turn them off or to clear them, or else all your information will look like it's wrong. If this is green, then your filter's still on. That's about it for filtering on it. So, thank you.